이게 얼마나 할까요?
My monthly salary.
이런 바디 스프레이들 다 써요. 스노라인 크림은 하나 필요할 것 같아요. So which is good for men? Both are okay? This one, this?
Men or lady or okay.
Yeah. Which do you like better, this and this?
Either one. This one got olive oil.
You like this better?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why do you say no? I'm from South Korea.
Working here?
Sorry?
Working here?
No, I'm traveling here.
Traveling
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Things in Singapore not so expensive. I thought super expensive, but
Oh, no, actually.
not so crazily. Yeah.
That's here.
Yeah.
You never speak Korean?
I can speak Korean too.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you, sir? 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. 친절하시네. 별로 안 비싼데? 저런 머리 자르는 것도 여자 10달러, 남자 8달러, 8,000원, 9,000원, 8,000원, 만원. 별로 안 비싸요. 이거 누가 비싸대? 이상한데? 그래서 really big mall. 이런 큰 몰 옆에도 이렇게 작은 스트리트 푸드 마켓들이 이렇게 있는데 이런 데서 먹는 거는 다 싸요. 한 접시 5,000원, 기껏해야 7,000원, 만원짜리도 있는데 에어컨이 안 나온다는 거 말고는 문제 없는데? 괜찮은 것 같아요. 여긴가? 여기요? 아, 여권 안 가졌으면 큰일 날 뻔했다. 친구 집 가는데 여권까지 필요해요. 그건 뭐 그럴 수 있지. 그럴 수 있지. 다 완료되면 이걸 껴주는데 go straight and left. Let's see. Entry pass. Thanks. 저렇게 저분한테 제출을 하고 올라갑니다. 한 번 맞출 수 있다는 거겠죠.
Go go out the 10 after you go up.
Okay. 이렇게 15 then I will get down.
Yeah, I don't know if you go down.
네.
You can try.
Thank you. I just went to India. I just went to India. I really had a good time there. Nice India. Gujarat? People are amazing. Okay, guys. 인도인을 당황시키는 인도분들 당황하기 쉽지 않은데 저보고 되게 당황하셨어요. 엘리베이터가 50, 15 이런 단위로 돼 있어가지고 13층이면 you're here. This is a this is so
Yeah, you see this one side.
I took the wrong one.
You 7 you go the last. Go up.
오케이, 땡큐.
오케이.
이런 형태로 타는 것 같아요. 우리 배달 기사님이 잘 가르쳐 주셔가지고 잘 가고 있고. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Sarah. My friend Juan.
Hello.
Hi, come in.
How are you? Thank you.
My humble abode.
Oh, thank you for inviting. Thank you so
No
much.
problem.
Wow, I never thought that I could visit some locals' house here.
Really?
Wow, thank you. 이런 느낌으로 사는데 이게 얼마나 할까요? 궁금하다. 이게 예의가 아니면 신뢰가 안 되면 이거 좀 혼자 이렇게 지내는 건 문제는 없을 것 같은데 얼마나 많은 분들이 이렇게 지낼까 이게 궁금하다. 이런 푸드를 만들어 주셔가지고 또 드시는 건데도 뺏어 먹는 거 아닌지 모르겠다. This is the normal people, how normal single people live, right? Yeah.
Yes.
And then you're working at a really nice company.
Yes.
Yeah, Apple.
Oh my god.
And
Right,
then,
yes, I
okay.
am.
Could you please open is it possible how much do you earn and how much do you pay for this room and then how much living costs do you pay per month or something?
The room in this apartment cost $900.
Deposit?
Yeah, there is a 1 month deposit,
Mm-hmm.
and then my monthly salary around 5K.
That's cool. Wow.
Yeah.
That's cool. And then that's only salary. You get more welfare. You get like a bonus sometimes.
Bonus, we get stocks.
Okay.
So
Wow. You know, I have Apple stocks too. You know
You
that?
do?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I have not a lot, but I have some.
Yeah, so we get like stocks, and we get like medical benefits. We get discounts for products and stuff like that.
Ah, nice. And then how much money do you save per month? Could I ask? More than half, right?
I don't really. I just pay like the rent.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really like, and the rest of the money just goes to my savings. So there's really not an amount or like a percentage of my salary goes to my
okay.
saving. Because after I paid my rent and my
Living
credit
costs?
card and I go grocery and stuff,
Yeah.
and then the rest just goes to my
Yo, that means you save a lot.
a little bit.
More than half sometimes. Mostly,
Yeah.
I mean. Wow.
But I think the tax here is quite high. But you can actually pay it in installment. Like I think it starts from April or May.
Yeah.
They will give you like a notice with like this is your tax.
Okay.
Depending on your salary, depending on how much kind of like bonuses that you get, then they calculate it depending on like the percentage of your salary, that
Yeah.
kind of range. And then when you receive your tax notice, you
Yeah.
pay it either monthly or in one go. Most of the houses here are buildings. We call it HDB,
Yeah.
condos,
Yes.
because I think the land are limited.
Mm-hmm.
Because of course Singapore is a small country, and that's why they made people live in buildings, because they would save a lot of spaces. And I think
Okay.
because if you see like big fields,
Mm-hmm.
I think they're reserving it for the next generation.
Okay.
I think that's how it is. Yeah.
Mm.
And they wanted to make it as green as possible. That's why you see green fields and like trees everywhere.
Yeah.
Because I think also to kind of deflect the heat, because we don't have much greens here. Yeah.
Okay.
Some people would live in a house which we call landed house, but those people are kind of the above average people.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's really interesting. Yeah. How's your working conditions? How long do you work a day? Is it?
I actually work 9 hours, but
Mhm.
I have two 15-minute breaks and 1 hour.
15. Wow.
So technically the work is only 7.5 hours.
Okay.
30.
So you don't get a lot of pressure. You are okay with your job, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's up and down.
One of the best company in the world. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. And then you can offer me a 15% discount. Yeah. AirPods. Yeah.
Yeah, if you want, I can give you a discount. But
Okay. What if I really want it? What if I really
or
want
you
to
can buy a
buy?
phone or a Mac if you need.
I was actually thinking, but the Mac is not really used to for me. So
Yeah.
Windows is. I'm old man, so.
Windows, man.
Window man, not Apple.
Yeah.
If you get married here, and then if you have a baby,
Uh-huh.
do you guys have any benefits from? I mean, like, do you guys have like how do I say welfare from government? Do you get support by government or something?
Depending on your company,
Mhm.
in my company, if you get pregnant,
Yeah.
your maternity leave, I think it's 2 months paid.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Oh,
For
okay.
being pregnant and then like
Yeah.
taking care of the baby until like
Okay.
2 months.
Do you guys have also like period vacation? Every month, women have a magic, right? The period.
Oh no.
You
No,
don't?
We do have medical leave,
Mhm.
which is 14 days, I think, and then
Medical leave.
annual leave, of course, and other types like.
How many annual leaves you think?
Oh, depending on how long you're in the company, but since I've been with the
10
company
years?
for 10 years, I get 1.75 days.
1.75
So
days.
meaning per month you
Uh-huh.
get 1.75.
Oh.
So if you total that to like 12 months, that's like what, 21 days?
Then including medical leaves, you get 30 days almost.
No, the medical leave is like 14 days, but it's not like you have to take it all. If you're
Ah.
sick, of course you
Ah,
have to
okay,
take
okay,
it.
okay.
And then there's also like bereavement leave, and also like if let's say you're taking care of let's say your relative in Singapore, there's also like a family care
Okay.
leave, something like that.
Okay. Can you say your working condition is better than average or the similar, or what do you say?
I think it's actually better.
Except at high level, the IT people.
Yeah.
Those are above.
I think the culture itself of the company is better than the others that I've worked with because it's an American company.
Mm-hmm.
So I think the culture is different. It's super diverse. It's just open to everyone. Like it doesn't matter if you're gay or if you have red hair,
Yeah.
or whichever country you're from. Like we have people coming from different countries.
Oh, okay.
Like you wouldn't imagine that they're from there.
Oh.